over to the right we go. What is going on with my freaking arm, man? Wait, am I a dude? Do I go back up here? Oh, I'm supposed to go back? I swear she's rage-quitting. No, I'm just stupid.